Good morning, students. Today we will revise the poem Bird Talk by Ellen Fisher. So, as you can see in this picture, this is the poet Ellen Fisher who has written the poem Birds Talk. So, can you guess who is he? What is it? It is a bird and its name is Robin. And now this is a bird Jay. These two birds are talking in the poem Robin and Jay. And what is this? These are beetles. And these are feathers of birds. And what are these? Can you guess? Okay, these are wires which you can see on the poles. Now, let's start. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. They are talking among themselves. They are talking about human beings. Now, look at this. The baby, the toddler, adult, and then man. They are thinking about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. See, that birds are talking about how people grow, how they grow in their height. And see, there is no feather on human body. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on the wires and thing. They always walk. Human being always walk. They don't sit on the wires. They sit on table, chairs. So Robin and Jay are thinking about human beings. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now they are thinking that people are very funny. Now let's revise. These are feathers. This is a parrot and this is a man. Now what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see both the birds are eating insects. They are not eating grains, roti, chapati, rice, chicken. They are eating insects. These are called insectivorous, the birds who can eat small insects. You don't need to go to the definitions. This is just for your information. Now let's look at the beak of some birds which they use for different purposes. So let's see the first one, wood chiseling. There is a woodpecker in front of you who chisel the wood for making their nest or in the search of food. You can look at the beak कि आप चोंच देखिए किस तरह की है. Now next, tearing and piercing. Eagle and kite. इनकी आप बीक देखेंगे तो फाड़ने के लिए अलग तरीके से है, अलग तरह की चोंच है इनकी. मड प्रॉबिंग मतलब मिट्टी में छेद करके नीचे से इंसेक्ट निकालने के लिए या वर्म्स निकालने के लिए इनकी बीक इस तरह की है. वाटर एंड मक स्ट्रेनिंग. These have the beaks a little different kind. Fish catching. These birds can catch fish using their beak. Spatula. Look at this. The beak is like a spatula. वो मम्मा जो यूज करती है ना किचन में खाना चलाने के लिए, तो इनकी स्पून लाइक बीक है for the searching worms, insect and small animals. And the bird name is spoonbill क्योंकि इसकी बीक जो है स्पून जैसी है. Pouched. अब इस बर्ड की बीक थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है. इसमें पाउच जैसा बना हुआ है, जैसे कि एक नेट होता है, एज ए फिशिंग नेट. पाउच बना हुआ है उसके अंदर जिसमें शायद फिश कैच हो जाती होगी या उस नेट में फिश फंस जाती होगी, और नाम उसका है पेलिकन। फ्लावर प्रॉबिंग, लॉन्ग पॉइंटेड है इसकी बीक, जिसमें से इनको हनी और इंसेक्ट को सक करने में आसानी होती है। हमिंग बर्ड की जो है रोज, हमिंग बर्ड की बीक विच हेल्प्स देम टू सक द हनी एंड द इंसेक्ट। सीड ईटिंग मतलब बीज खाने वाली चोंच, ये स्पैरो है जो आराम से बीज अपना कट करके फ्रूट्स या स्टोन्स पे रख के आराम से उसको कट करके सीड खा सकती है। फॉर कटिंग, नाउ लुक एट द बीक ऑफ दिस क्रो, ये थोड़ी अलग सी है, ये बहुत सारे काम के लिए यूज़ करता है और कट करके अपना जो भी खाना है वो खा लेता है। फ्रूट ईटिंग, नाउ दिस पैरेट हैज़ अ बीक which makes it easy to eat the fruit. Now let's come back to the questions. Now in this you have to mention the birds name which we have read in the poem. So what were the name of the birds? The name of the birds were Robin and Jay. You have to answer these questions in your notebook. What are the 3 things that people cannot do? वो क्या 3 काम हैं जो लोग नहीं कर पाते, इंसान नहीं कर पाते? So people cannot sit on the wires, people cannot eat beetles, and people cannot fly in the air, or they don't have feathers. What do birds think of people? That you have to do it on your own. आपको सोचना है और आपको खुद लिखना होगा कि बर्ड्स क्या सोचते होंगे लोगों के बारे में। इट कुड बी एनीथिंग। आप अपनी इमेजिनेशन एंड क्रिएटिविटी को यूज़ करिए। यूज़ योर इमेजिनेशन एंड क्रिएटिविटी। थैंक यू।